Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn the use of count, average and sum function. The count function returns the number of rows that matches a specified criteria from the table. Here is the syntax. Select count, we need to specify the column from table name where condition. Let's quickly see in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server, select the database, click on New Query. We'll select one of the table we have created earlier in the tutorial. Select star from employee table. Let's see first how many rows we have. We have 5 rows. Then we need to apply count. It's a function. And then the column name. Let's put employee ID from table name, and then select the query and execute it. You can see that we have 5 rows. So let's execute it again and then put the condition here where let's put salary is greater than 11,000. So we can see that here only 2 rows is matching with the condition. Let's quickly execute it. We can see that 2 is the result. Now select again. So we can see that only these rows are matching. So here we can get the count 2. So this way we can use the count function. Now we can check the average function. The average function returns the average value of numeric column from the table. Here the syntax. Select average. We need to specify the column name from table name where condition. Let's quickly see in SQL Server. Now just copy paste this query. We already saw that in count. Now change it is AVG, average, and then just execute it first. Execute. You can see that the average is, the employee ID average is 3. Let's put here the salary column and then check the average value of the salary. You can see that the average, we have 5 rows here, and let's cut it here and paste it here and execute both the query. You can see that the average of the salary of 5 is 13,500. So this is how we can use average function. So if you specify the numeric, it is not numeric, it is varchar, and then we want to check the average, it will throw the exception. You can see that the operand data type varchar is invalid for the average because it will always take the numeric value, not any other value, any other data type. So that is how we can use average function. Now let's see the use of sum function. Sum function returns the total sum of numeric column from the table. Here is the syntax. Select sum column name from table where condition. Let's quickly see in SQL Server. Let's open SQL Server. We already saw that average, count, and now just copy paste the query and then specify the numeric column, and then it is sum function, and just select the query and execute. We can see that this is sum of the salary of 5 rows. Let's cut and paste it here and just comment it for some time, and then select these query and execute. If we do the sum of this salary column, we will find this 58,500. So now if we specify the condition here, let's put the condition is employee ID is greater than, let's put this time less than 3. So it will consider only these two rows because it is matching with less than 3. Let's sum it and it should be 20,500. You can see that it is 20,500. So this is how we can use count, average and sum functions. So the difference only here is count here we can put any kind of data type, either it is numeric or varchar, but in sum and average function we must specify the numeric value. So let's see here, change this one, and then because it is simply getting the count value, count, not any sum or average. It is not asking for any numeric value, it could be anything. So just comment it all the condition here and execute all in one go. Select the query and execute it. Now you can see that all query executed successfully. In the count we specify first name, that is varchar data type. So this is how we can use count, average and sum function. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.